Alright, so we got another roadside abandoned exploration. Look at this place right here. Looks like some kind of factory or something. We're just gonna head right in. Oh no, I think this was actually like a barn. Yeah, definitely a barn. This looks like a big, like, processing barn or something. Like they milked a lot or something. Oh, this is crazy. I'm gonna come back over here in a second. Looks like there's another room over here. And just hay bales and whatnot. It looks like they're still storing their hay bales here, to be honest. So it might not be completely abandoned. Nevertheless, nobody's living on the property right now. I'm gonna go over here. Yeah, we're still trying not to be seen because it still technically could be sketchy. Okay, looks like a pile of shit here. I'm gonna hop over this real quick. Okay, let's go in here real quick. I'll hit the wide angle here. You're gonna lose a little quality, but you're gonna see a lot more. Boy, if that doesn't make this look sketchy. Grab that handrail and just go with it, I guess. Dude, this is crazy. What? It's an old stroller. There's some records. Man. You can tell the birds are definitely taking over in here. A lot of trash. Almost looks like a wooden recliner. Shoot. Look at this. This is mainly gonna be a one take, but I'm gonna pause once in a while to take photos. Okay. See, continue on. This leads right out onto the land. It's pretty clear out here. There's actually a house right there, so still trying to be pretty low key here, guys. Now look at that old door. The classic knob. Okay. Whew. Let's try to head up here. Hopefully I don't fall through the floor. Okay, had to hit the light. It's too dark in here. I'm losing too much quality to go wide. Whoa. It's really hard to try to slowly scan these places for you guys because we're always stopping on the side of the road and just checking some crazy places out. Love nest. Okay. Wow, that's old. Still haven't even checked everything out yet. This is pretty awesome. Once again, going down the sketchy steps here. I'm gonna skip that one. I'm going up there, Amanda. I'm going up real quick. I know the people want it. Now this is super sketchy. These are rusting, they're breaking out. I'm clearly overweight. This is not safe by any means. Oh no. This is rotted, guys. I am seriously taking a risk. Oh man. Ooh. Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm literally like risking my life right now. Oh, okay. Wow. Look at this, guys. Gotta take a photo. Okay. Back down this death trap. Steps missing. Could possibly die. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Guys, it does not feel good. It doesn't feel good at all. I'm tripping, I'm not lying. Oh my gosh. I felt the wood wiggle. I'm feeling the metal wiggle under my feet right now, guys. Again, sorry about the camera work. Super, super sketchy. No way. What are the odds? Is that one of those old school things that would spin around and have like a barn animal? Maybe. All right, I'm gonna come back around here to Amanda. Hop over this. Again. Okay. All right. All right. Let's go. This place is huge. Got the wide angle on again. All right, headed back out of the barn looking thing. We got a house right over here to the right. And then we have this schoolhouse looking thing. I don't know if this is a house or not, but we're about to run up on it. Gotta take a photo of this. Okay. It's like a pile of scrap here. Hoping we don't get poison ivy today, folks. Johnny's wearing shorts. Alright, now I'm getting real freaked out because there's actually like someone's house is right there. Okay. Sorry about the camera angle there. I had to help Amanda get in real quick. All right, let's hit the wide for you. Oh, really? Okay. This is old. Look at this place. It's got them old smells. Look at this crazy pipe work. Who the hell was running this? I know. As usual, we're in a rush. We're in a sketchy place again. We don't know anything about. That looks abandoned, so we're in it. It's just like a little back porch. Yeah, I don't want to make noise and let the neighbors hear us. I know. Let's go. Dude, look at these tiny little steps. Okay, I'm gonna turn the flash. I'm doing my best, man. No. Just wait a sec for me. Dude, what? This is the railing I'm holding on to. What is this? There's like animals drawn on the walls. What am I getting into right now? It is hella creepy up here. What the fuck? Sorry if I'm moving around really fast. Really just trying to check my surroundings. This piece is actually... Oh, this piece fell from the ceiling. It fell from up here. It's actually blocking me from getting in. So I'll try to get the best view as I can for you guys. This is a very weird shaped place. And these stairs are crazy steep. Look how like, do you see how short the stairs are? It's like a half a foot. Like, they're like 5-6 inch steps. This is like the kind of white bar I had outside of my house, in my old house. I don't know why it's even be in your house. All right, guys, we're about to leave this place. Doing a little extra look-see. Anyway, this has been a crazy exploration. Got another house under our belts here. As you can see, this place is just falling through. If you guys dug this video, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe, y'all. We got a bunch of more content coming out. We got lots of crazy stuff planned. We gotta do a bunch of stuff this summer. Obviously, coronavirus hit. That's dampened things a little bit, but we still got some heat going on. I can literally feel my chest hurting from breathing in whatever's in here, so I'm getting out. Make sure you like and subscribe.